We have a wellness clinic where we see people with chronic health conditions most of the time. So today I would like to take an attempt to demonstrate a little bit about what we're talking about and how we came into believing in ionized water, and to give credence and validation a little bit to this unit and to this concept for health. What I would like to do is give her regular bottled water, and then the ionized alkaline water, and really measure, we'll time it and measure the effects 1 minute and 5 minutes after drinking it, and see if we see any changes within her blood.
I consider myself to be a very healthy person. I do intense yoga 3 times a week, sometimes 4. I eat healthy, all organics, grass-fed meats, and just keep very busy. So I expect that my blood work is going to come out just fine today.
One of the things we're seeing here is that you know, the whole screen, when you take a snapshot, you see around 700 red blood cells to a white blood cell. You're a little short on your red blood cell count. You're definitely having no movement at all. Very little motion. There was a little some right in the beginning. Now obviously outside the body, it's going to react a little different, but we've seen thousands of these, so we know it should move for quite a while. The other thing I'm seeing is there is not a lot of white glow in these cells. And I'm going to change the phase so we're able to see better. But right here, the membrane is collapsing and breaking, and I could see it on several ones. It'll show better on this next screen. There isn't uniformity. Some seem bigger than others, you know. That's bigger, and that's a little smaller and smaller. The other thing is the membrane is jaggedy, which is it's unhealthy, versus nice and round. We're seeing a lot of debris and things that shouldn't be in there. Okay. And definitely no energy in your cells. No, that white glow is not in there.
I was shocked to see my first blood analysis. My blood basically wasn't moving at all. It was very, very shocking.
Okay, now we're going to do the second test. You've drank that bottle of water. It's been roughly 5 minutes. Okay, so we're going to go through the same process and see if we have any changes. So I expect your body to change quickly because of so many good things you do, but being dehydrated, you see you clump up, but you got movement to start happening from just putting water in.
Yeah.
And in our opinion, without the charge, it's not going to do as good of a job. But we'll see in the next following test. Okay. But you will see that you got some more movement now. So hydration, key to your health.
After drinking bottled water, it did improve the flow a little bit, but then there was clumping of my red blood cells, which was a bit unsettling.
Just drank ionized alkaline water, and it's been in your system roughly 5 minutes. Okay, so let's see how much more the hydration works, and if the ionized water looks any different than the bottled water. See, the body has this untapped potential to really change quickly when you do the right things. Yeah. But universally, everybody needs water and oxygen as a starting point in order to, recover their health and balance their body. So, if we were to go to the other screen, now we see a ton of white.
Yeah.
And movement. And what a difference. What a difference 10 minutes makes.
Yeah.
One of the questions usually is, well, does ionized water raise oxygen? If what we're looking at here is oxygen, obviously, like I said, that mobility, opening the potential of the membrane to take in air, it seems like it increases it. It's not that it's increasing the total, I don't think, volume coming in, but it's allowing the red blood cell to carry more.
Yeah.
I think that's where the increase is happening, but that's just an opinion at this point.
After seeing these 3 blood analysis tests come back today and the effects that the ionized water had on my blood circulation and flow and non-clumping of my blood, I am very convinced that it is a beneficial thing that I need in my life.